Hey guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel Indicoderz. Today's video to how to you install on Android phone Turbo C++. And please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my regular videos. Open Play Store and search Turbo C Droid. Open the app. Here button open option, open button and compiler button and run button and keyboard button. Full PC interface on this Turbo C Droid app. Also landscape option for use this Turbo C Droid app. This app to free provide some files, programming files, is pattern file for C++, how to start pattern. This file is to free provide on this app. This is best app for Turbo C++ Android alternative to use all everything programming for C and C++.